In 2025, 2026, Twitter or X isn't just for building an audience. It's one of the fastest ways to monetize your knowledge, skills, or brand. But if you use the right systems. Everyone says you can make money on X unless you got 100,000 followers or even more. That's just not true. In 2025, the smartest creators are making money with tiny audiences. And today I'll show you exactly how they are doing it so you can replicate and make your first $10,000 a month. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what and how are people monetizing their X. We'll look at the examples of how people are doing it and the exact system for their funnel that they are using so you can replicate it. By the way, I have linked my free Telegram group down below where I share extra monetization tactics that I don't share anywhere else. So yeah, if you are interested in that, link is down below, join. Okay guys, so here's the whole breakdown, how to make money on Twitter. First, we'll look at this funnel, how everything works so you have better understanding. And then we'll look at some practical examples from people that are already making money and how can you replicate that and make it for yourself. Okay guys, here we go, how to make money on Twitter, let's do it. It's very simple. First, we have this sort of funnel so you understand. X is always at the top of the funnel because you're providing free value for people. So first we have replies. This serves as some sort of ads. So when you comment to other people posts, people will naturally see your replies and it will serve as ad. And the main goal of your replies is to people to come and visit your profile, right? Then we have posts. As you see here, we have some examples again. Nothing crazy basically, but the main thing here that you should know is that with posts, the main goal of them is to convert people to followers. And lastly, we have threads. These are basically for conversions, so people start buying your product and you start to educate them about your product so they know what they are buying basically. After we finish this first stage, at the top of the funnel, which is X, we move to the middle of the funnel, which is some sort of group. It could be Telegram, Discord, or even email based basically. It's all the same because you own this group of people. Because they give you your personal information like email, first name, maybe even phone number or something like that. So how we capture this basically, this is a little bit more tricky, but we usually do this with lead magnets. This works very simple. You will create a lead magnet and at the end of the post you will give people to comment some sort of word. It could be, as you see, lead or something else like here VO, or it can be ads, whatever you want the word to be. And in the return, when the people will comment underneath the post to boost it, you will give them some sort of lead magnet that you created and send them in their inbox. That's also the easiest way to start a conversation with people and know who is interested in your product already or just a little bit, you know. Okay, then the second thing how you can get people into your group basically is through just promotions. So you comment your Telegram group or email list under your posts that do very well, so people naturally see those when they go into comments and maybe join your free group, right? And lastly, when they join your Telegram, they will go and find something like this. In your Telegram group, you will just share more free value for them, just more free value, and occasionally, as we will see right now, you will share some sort of links to your products, okay? Very simple. So the last part is bottom of the funnel. Okay, here lagged a little bit. It's bottom of the funnel where you share basically your product or your service, whatever you offer, whatever is your offer basically. So as you see, in each Telegram group, many of these people are just sharing many links. As you see, many of them are just free resources, mainly free resources, but here and there occasionally you will have some sort of free, occasionally you will have a promotion of their product basically. As you can see, it can be another group which is like few bucks a month, or it can be also your high ticket service. It really depends how you structure this, right? But as you can see, here are many links. And yeah, basically, usually these links will follow to the low ticket product, basically. This could be like another group, it could be some sort of course, it could be maybe an affiliate link that people are not even affected by, so they don't even have to pay you, but you still get the money because of the promotion. And lastly, it will usually be followed when they enter your lower ticket product, because they are already prepared to pay for your lower ticket product. They are already in your loop, so they are much more likely to buy your high ticket product, which are a few $1,000s. And yeah, this could be either service, done for you service, or high value products basically. So we covered this funnel, which you see, it's very simple. This is the structure. Most of the people are following that are making 10K plus a month on X, so you can easily copy this. So the analogy that I like to use to explain to people how X work basically is, think of X like a shop basically. Your tweets are signs outside, your profile is the front door, and your offer is the product on the shelf. If any of those pieces is missing, people walk by without buying. Now we'll go and look at some examples and how people are actually making money with this. Okay guys, so now let's look at some examples of the creators that are making a lot of money. As you can see here, I listed many of them, but first I listed a few of the big creators that people only think they make money. While this is not true, the only thing that's true is they make a lot of money. But other creators are making a lot of money as well, but not as much as them. I'm pretty sure you know Becker, he's one of the biggest. Then we have Matt Gray, which is one of the biggest entrepreneurs about personal branding and how to make money. He's making a lot of money as well, but we won't look at these guys. We'll look at the guys who have less than 100,000 followers, like this guy. I'm pretty sure maybe you know him, maybe you don't. Pretty popular in the money making space on X. He has less than 60K followers. This guy with 60, less than 50, around 80, then 30, 20, 12, 3,000, 13, 20, 5K, 15K, and 5K. So some of these creators don't even have a lot of followers, less than 10,000. So let's first look at this guy, because I think he will be one of the best examples. How this works basically, as you can see here, he has his group. He doesn't have his Telegram group. This is a bit different, but he has this group which has the similar use case, I would say. As you can see, if we click here, we'll get straight to his main product, which is $75 a month. And I think this guy has over 1,000 people in this group, and I won't be able to get in this group because I didn't pay for it. But in this group, he most likely is promoting his Twitter services, so how to grow on Twitter, which costs $5,000 a month. So you get the point how this works basically. Then we have this guy. He doesn't have any link in his bio, which is a bit different again. As you can see, not all of these guys are following some sort of path. Everyone is a bit different, so you need to find and think what will work best for you and your niche or your occasion, right? He has here the link again to his some sort of group that we can, if you give him a mail, you get this free book, right? But he doesn't have any links, which I'm sure he will, but I won't find it right now. If we look some of the other guys, let's say Alex Prompter, for example, he's linking his group in the bio. Now, if I would give him a mail, I enter my mail, and as you can see here, immediately we have some sort of low ticket product, one a bit higher one. Basically just templates of how to do things with AI. And I'm pretty sure when you join this one, you are also promoted to the higher products, which I'm not very sure, but probably some sort of service that costs thousands of dollars a month. But as you can see here, he has threads, then he's promoting his offer again, but this one is for free. So yeah, you get the point. We have the boring marketer. So again, if we go and look again, he wants you to join his email list or group, And again, if we enter this, I'm asked to join the community, and again the product is $50. So all of them are more or less are low ticket products that are then I'm pretty sure in this group when you join, he's posting some sort of links to his services or something like that that he will done for you. He's not as heavy on promotions as others, but yeah. Now we have the Machina. This guy is very cool in my opinion. As you can see here again, he has he's promoting his free newsletter and Telegram group. Now if we join his Telegram group, I already joined it, so. And if you don't want just theory but an actual place to get clients and refine your offers, that's exactly what we are doing inside my free Telegram group. I post breakdowns, examples, system, and real scripts that I use to close clients. So if you need something like this, if you want to join my free Telegram group, link is in the description. As I showed you earlier, you join the group, you have a bunch of free resources, again, free promotions of tweets, and here and there you will have some sort of promotion of the product, as you can see over here. Let's click this. And most of the groups are most of the Telegram groups works just like this. And here again, we can access his free group. Okay, here we go, we are in. I'm pretty sure if I keep looking for the links, I'll somewhere find the promotion of his services, basically. What else do we have? We have this guy, basically. Again, this guy is a little bit different because he has a newsletter or email list, but it's the same example. You'll get the email, I don't know, it depends how you decide. You can get 1 email per week, and he most likely is promoting a free, his paid product in this list, right? Let's see this guy. As you can see again, he has a consulting and econ flow. This is some sort of product of his, but it's lower ticker one. So yeah, this. And I think you get the point, basically. Let's look at the IAmAlenSultanic. So yeah, basically straight to his main product, the high ticket service. It really depends how long are you doing this, because if you are longer in the game, you'll have some sort of free product as well. But if you're just starting out, you can have immediate high ticket one. So you can get a lot of money out of it. So that's how people are actually making money on X in 2025, and will make money further down the line. You don't need a huge audience, you just need clarity, a funnel, and simple offer that people want to buy. Pick your monetization path and start testing it today and start making money. Now, if you want to see me break down my exact funnel for X and how I make it all aesthetic and polished, step by step, that's coming in my next video. So stick around and see you in the next video. Bye.